Good morning, Angel. Can you say good morning to everyone? Say good morning to my grandparents and my aunts and uncles. Somebody has the hiccups. What? Oh, bless you. God bless you. What? What? Are you a happy boy? Are you a happy boy? Aunt Sveta's coming this morning. And your grandmom. Aunt Sveta and grandmom are coming to see you. Yes, they are. You have to make sure you say happy birthday to your grandmom too, okay? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, Angel, say bye-bye. There he is, kind of a wave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That was good. That was kind of a wave. Bye-bye.